What is a piercing candlestick pattern? This is in forex trading, so obviously in crypto it's slightly nuanced, but look, effectively you're closing above the 50% level of the previous red candle, and in stocks it opens lower, but obviously in crypto you don't get those gaps. Yeah, so you don't get the same kind of idea, do you? Because you don't gap up and down on what in between monthly open close. It just open and closes at the same place, but effectively you have the same kind of candlestick, don't you? So you're closing above the midline, the midpoint of the previous candle. It's the body that you're looking at. The midpoint is 0.07140. Yeah, 7140. Let's get rid of those patterns now. That's your midpoint, and we've closed above it. So on the monthly time frame, we're looking at a piercing candle formation here. In the context, like, look, you have to understand that the previous month, i.e. the June month, was a bearish engulfing. Yeah, so we had a bearish engulfing, which is this red candle which engulfed the green candle, i.e. it closed below the bottom, so it engulfed it, which is really bearish. And you follow the bearish pattern, which is a bearish engulfing candle, with a bullish candle, which is a piercing candle. Yeah, it's not as strong as a bullish engulfing, and so obviously the next it would have been much stronger to close this candle up there for a bearish engulfing followed by a bullish engulf. That would be much stronger. Yeah, that would be really strong buy pressure after you had some really strong self pressure. We don't have that, but this is the second best setup. It's a bearish engulfing followed by a piercing candle. This next candle has to be green. Yeah, and it will be. I think it will be green. I hope so, but it really has to be green. And then we're looking for a really nice reversal structure here to go up. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking right now. And let's see what it says on this advert. The first candlestick identifies bearish context. The second candlestick open with whatever gap. The second candlestick ends on a strong bullish note. It erodes much of the first candlestick. This unexpected upward reversal has excellent potential to shock and trap bearish traders. And give some examples of piercing candles in the stocks, and then you get it's like a bear trap, isn't it? It's a bear trap because you have this bearish engulfing, and then you get the buyback with the volume. The volume is really important. So I really feel that we're in a reversal here, just based on that candlestick formation. If I look at like the 2-month candle, you see we were a month in, we were already back at the top of the previous 2-month candle. That's pretty nice, sir. It's really nice. We've already put more volume in than the previous 2-month candle in just this 1 month. So we're looking at a really bullish 2-month candle now. I don't know what's going to happen here, whether it's going to be another inverse hammer or whether we're going to get a nice push up to put a bullish engulfing. A bullish engulfing would be a 2-month candle next month closing above the previous 2-month candle high. Really bullish. The volume here is really bullish. Yeah, look at the volume. You've got decreasing prices, decreasing volume. So you're losing sell pressure, but the volume is high, and then you get this buy up. You've got really bullish volume forming at these levels on TRVL.